This is business help here with our first video on how to make a good PowerPoint here with just simple steps here. See, we already got a decent start to our PowerPoints here, but they have information, but they aren't going to be looking nice. So we're going to do one step here. We're going to use the design ideas section here, and it's going to make our PowerPoints look a lot nicer and a lot more professional really quickly. There's two spots to find it here. It's going to be over here in the design ideas on the home page. We can click on design and find it here as well in the same spot. So we're going to go ahead and click on that here, and it's going to bring up a thing on the right here. And as you can see, there's a lot of options of how to make the slides look better. And all you have to do is click on them. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here, and then we'll turn our slide into that. And then I'm going to go down to our next one here. We're going to use an image here. So it puts up different images, different many things here, and you convert them. As you can see, it would take a while to do something like this. I mean, it takes a lot to crop this, add this background. It's just going to be something that's just going to save a lot of time, make it look nice. And we're finally going to this paragraphs here. And as you can see, there's a lot of options, different styles of everything. But how to make this really work is when you go to here, we need to go choose a design here. We're going to pick a design here, and that way it makes everything look consistent and one and cohesive unit. So we're going to go ahead and click this one here. We're going to go back to our home page. As you can see, the design ideas have now changed. They're going to make it look part of the theme, part of how everything else is going to work here. So I'm going to click on, we use this one for this. It might not be the nicest, but it's going to work for us, the PowerPoint here. And now we're going to look through here. I think here we're going to just go with this one here. Now you can see that the cohesive, they look nice. I mean, I prefer, there's certain designs and other themes that work better for this, but this one will work here. And then as you can see, here's the big difference. When you have three like paragraphs, now it creates three separate paragraphs, and they're broken up. Now it looks a lot easier, a lot nicer. That would take a while to do just by yourself or just not using this feature, but this is how this feature will save you time, make great PowerPoints actually. I use this a lot for a lot of things here. Saves a lot of time and saves a lot of stress. So if you like this video, thought it was helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe, please.